Okay, what do you do YouTube? Welcome back to this video. So this video is going to be short and simple, but I want to show you what's really possible when it comes to making money online. So I personally have been making money online since the age of 15, so I really know the game and I understand what works. So this is a sale that has just come in today, and I'm not yet even sure where this sale came from. It might have come from my second YouTube channel, or it might have come from my blog. I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna trace back and see what's really working. So, and what I did is I went to a website called Manchai. So this is the website. The website is Manchai, and you can see that there's launches that happen each and every single day or every other single day. So what you do is, you as an affiliate, you can sign up to these vendors. So for me, I don't promote any of these launches. I stick to the left, which is all the big launches, because I know these are the real money launches. So if you want to make money, stick to the left, leave the right. So some of those launches on the right are crappy products, and some of these on the left may be crappy, but it's up to you to check out the product and see if it's legit and if it's something that your audience will be interested in. So what I do is go to Manchai, find a product that's launching. So I haven't promoted affiliate products in like 3 weeks because I've been focusing on paid traffic, and it's really working for me. So I got a sale just some couple of minutes ago, and I wanted to document that for you guys so that you can see what's really possible when it comes to making money online. So you don't even need to make that huge amount of money, but just that one sale is enough to get you motivated and get up and put in the extra work. So let me go over to, as I've already showed you, I've showed you the email. The email came in some 1 hour ago. I need to fix my timing for the Gmail account, so I want to show you that. Then this is just Google Search Console for my website. Then you can see that I've been getting clicks and visitors to the websites, but I think this sale came from a method that is called launch jerking. So if you know launch jerking, it's just going over to Manchai, choosing a product that's going to be launching in the next few couple of days, as requesting your affiliate link. So I'm one of I think I'm a silver affiliate for Jvzoo. So let me click on the details stats so you can see that no, oh sorry, let me first go back and reload the screen so that you know that everything is legit, and I'm not trying to fool around with you guys. So you can see that everything remains the same, and I'm gonna do that again so that you know that this is really legit. So this is the, I made $33 by but I know it's gonna pick up the moment I make one sale. It starts to pick up, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push that video or the blog article. I'm gonna go and get some backlinks to it so that even ranks higher, I can get more of those sales, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. So let's go to the detailed stats and I'll show you what's happening. So let's go to today and leave everything as it is, and hit refresh. So you can see that this is the product is called Create by Joshua Zamora. So this is my namesake, so of course I had to jump on this. So most of the sales I've made on Jvzoo is by promoting Joshua Zamora's products. I don't know why they convert for me, but that is it. When I promote his products, they always convert for me. I've been testing other vendors' products, but some products, when I launch jack them, I don't even make a single sale. So you need to keep that in mind. It's not something that happens overnight. You have to keep going and going at it. So this is one product that I promoted. I wrote an article. Let me go over to my website. So let's go to just.com. Start it up real quick. Okay, so here's my website. You can see I have a bunch of categories. I upload articles weekly. So, and all the articles that I write, I do them myself. So let's go back here. The category is product reviews. So let's click on that, and you can see that this is the review I wrote. So I wrote the review. You can see I promote other people's products. This is Neonavia. If you know launch jacking, you know that guy is a very famous. Grow Viral, it's another one. Then email videos, Mario Brown is a good vendor. Then let me click on this article so that I show you what I did and why I think this is working. So let's highlight the whole article. Oh snap. Okay, so you can see that this article is about 2,831 words. So, and this article, I'm not sure whether it has ranked fully on Google. I am not so sure, but I'll keep you guys updated on the. So you can see, I wrote an article. I wrote about the features. I put my this when people click here, this site here. This is my affiliate link. So if you can see on the bottom left, it says justlamech.com/create. That is my affiliate link, and when they click that, they get sent straight to the sales page of Create, which is a software that enables them, right? These buttons are sending them to the affiliate tools or whatever. So there's a video here. I don't know why it's not loading up, but I need to check in the back end. So here's an example. I put in some of these. This information is given to you by the vendor on the JV page. So you can see the vendor bonuses. I put them here. Then I also give people bonuses on my own. So these are bonuses. You can then get these bonuses from other launches and reuse them. That's a tactic that I use. So you can use the same bonuses over and over again, and as long as they line up with the product. So I saw that this website Punch Pro really works because it works with the product that I'm promoting, which is about writing articles. So I know blogging is hard when you're writing all the articles yourself. So this is what the software solves, and I give them a bunch of bonuses, and I attach the vendors demo video here. Then I put a link again, and once again, if they want to join my newsletter for more of these updates, I put that again. Then you can see when they are done reading this article and they feel they want to check out more of my content, they can read more of these articles. So this is the power of having a website. But if you don't have a website, I'm going to be releasing a video showing you guys how to do affiliate marketing with our website. So stay tuned for that and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. That is it. Take care, and